As I share my birthday with a close friend, this year I thought I should make something for her, but not something random. She's really into watercolor, so I decided to make her a sketchbook. Hi, I'm Hrishikesh Shinde, and this is how I made it. It started with the paper. I picked 270 GSM Chitrapat handmade paper. It's good quality, made in India. But honestly, I chose it because it just felt right for watercolor. I didn't want to waste any sheets, so I folded them in half and started cutting. Now I could have used a scale for a super clean edges, but I wanted that deckled, slightly raw look, so I just went with it. While folding and cutting, I realized something. I had enough paper for two books, but instead of making two of the same size, I changed the plan. One around A5, one around A4, small and big. Once the pages were creased, I made a simple reference card, marked about 1 inch for the holes. Nothing fancy, but it keeps things consistent. I punched all the holes using that card. Then I checked if everything aligned properly. Because if the holes didn't match, the binding gets messy, and nobody wants that. For the cover, I decided to go with a hard cover, but it needed to feel solid, so I used a good paper board. I measured it carefully against the pages, kept it 3 mm bigger on three sides. I cut it and checked it. For colors, I chose dark blue for the smaller one and dark brown for the bigger one. I just felt the contrast would look nice, simple but strong. I cut the cover paper slightly larger than the board and pasted them by centering the board carefully. Later I trimmed the excess paper according to the required width. Before pasting, I pre-creased the cover for a cleaner finish. After applying glue and pasting it, the board bent slightly, so I placed some weight on top while it dried. Inside the cover, I used 80 GSM copy paper. Nothing special, but it does the job. Once the covers were ready, I punched holes through them using the same reference card. For binding, I went with Coptic stitching. I had a cotton thread at home. Not the best option, but good enough. I started from inside the first section, went out through the hole, looped around the cover, came back in, but tied a knot inside to secure it. After that, it's just a rhythm. Out through a hole, loop under the previous stitch, back into the same hole, move forward slowly but steadily. I followed the same process for the bigger sketchbook too. Made a few small mistakes, but fixed them as I went. And in the end, the sketchbooks were ready. Simple but meaningful. Till next time, cheers.